Hi guys, so happy day. So in our video we are going to see the continuation of previous video, that is addition, basics of addition. Okay, in this video properties of addition is going to be learned, but before going to that, in previous video we have discussed with one puzzle at the end, right? So which is, I'm repeating the question. We have to use 8 number of 8s. Okay, we have to use 8 number of 8s. Out of that, we need to make or we need to perform the addition operation with 8 number of 8s. Okay, and finally we need to get 1000. Okay, that is what the question is. The answer is 8 8s we need to get, right? So first 1 2 3 4 5, so 5 8. Okay, then 8 8 8. If you add this you will get 1000. See, so 8 2s are 16, 24, so 40. Okay, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 4 20, so carry 2, 8 9 10. So this is what the answer. The question is, so you will finally get 8 number of 8s, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 8s you have been having, all the 8s you are just adding it. Okay, and final answer you are getting is 1000. This is what the answer for the puzzle which we have seen in the last video. Okay, okay, it's all good. Fine. We are going with the properties of addition. So first property is zero property of addition. So zero property is all like whatever number or anything you are adding with 0. Okay, you can say simply, you can say like a plus 0 or 0. Okay, 0 you are adding with any number. Okay, so you will get that any number is the answer. This is the zero property. This is addition alone. I am not saying like multiplication or subtraction or division. I am just simply saying addition alone. So in addition case, you are adding any number with 0, or if any zero is, if any number is get added by 0. Okay, both are same actually. So but the answer will be that any number. For instance, take 5 plus 0, which is equal to 5. Some guys will make a mistake like 5 plus 0 is 0. So it is wrong. So 5 plus 0 is 0 they will put, but it is wrong. 5 plus 0 is 5. That any number, that number will come. Like 0, 35 you can add. The answer would be like 35 would be the answer, because 0 is useless here in addition. Okay, this is our first property. Okay, second property is, okay, in first property one more point we need to make sure. If 0 is added with 0, then it is 0. Okay, because here no number is there, only 0 is there. So 0 is added with 0, we'll get 0. Fine. Second property we move on is commutative property. What is all about commutative property? So you can say like, this is your general syntax. A plus B equal to B plus A. Both are same. That is why I have been mentioning here like equal symbol. If you add A with B or B with A, so you can change the position also. If you change the position of A and B, or you can say like addends. Okay, we said, right, we have discussed in previous video, right? So this is addend 1, this is addend 2. I'm interchanging the places of addend 1 and addend 2, then also I will get the same result. We will discuss with one example. If 5 plus 3, what is this? 8. Okay, I am interchanging the position. 3 plus 5, what is this? Again this is also 8. So both the answers are same if you interchange this places also. I mean if you interchange the addends also, both are same. Okay, final property is grouping property. What is it? Grouping property. Very simple property, grouping property, but this property is related with this commutative property. Here this grouping property, sometimes it is some guys or in some book they will represent this as associative property. Okay, so you can say like this. See, here 3 addends will be involved. A plus B plus C equal to again A plus B plus C. But the order which you are doing, so obviously we have to add 3 numbers. But the 3 numbers you can add, first these 2 numbers you can add, and with the answer of this 2 number, you can add this number. Okay, that you will get one result. But the same thing, if you add first these 2 numbers, okay, you will get one answer. If you add that number with this number, the same answer which you got here, you will be getting. That is exactly called as grouping property or associative property. Okay, for instance, take 5 plus 1 plus 2. I'm taking first grouping this. 5 plus 1, 6. Plus 2, which is 7, 8. Okay, fine. The same thing, 5 plus 1 plus 2, but I am adding this first. Okay, this group. So 5 plus, what is this? 2 plus 1 is 3, which is something like 8.